Despite the crypto winter and despite the fact that Shiba Inu has not yet rolled out Shibarium, Shiba Inu still adding a number of new people each and every month. And we've got some important information to bring to you here on December 26th. We're going to go over some of the data as it relates to unique addresses coming into the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So welcome back into the channel, guys. Hopefully you had a fantastic Christmas. And if you would, hit the like button down there. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to dive into it here and talk a little bit about what's going on here with SHIB in the month of December. Of course, many people are awaiting the big release of Shibarium. We could be getting very close to the beta test phase for Shibarium, and that will be up first before the final and eventual rollout of Shibarium in full. However, it should be noted right now, the total number of unique addresses that hold assets within the SHIB network is at a monthly high. It should also be noted that the network started in December with just 1,253,000 holders. However, the total number of addresses that currently existed in the network was 1,272,000. So we have gained about 20,000 new holders, roughly, here in December. That is very that is something to certainly note. I mean, think about that. In the middle of this bear market, this month in December alone, in 2022, adding around 20,000 new addresses. Not a lot of cryptocurrencies could say that right now. And this was pretty surprising for a few reasons. Obviously, the price of Shiba Inu has been going down, but I think people are starting to see, hey, the further this thing goes down, we're getting back in at levels that we did back in 2021. It provides a lot of opportunities. Now, the network's lead developer, Shytoshi Kusama, also shared, some would say, a disappointing tweet about Shibarium on Christmas Eve. Or, you know, people took it the wrong way. They wanted Shibarium. It was a new website. But even with all of that going on, Shiba Inu continues to gain new holders. And it's fascinating, right? Very fascinating that we're still seeing the growth happen. So here, let me take you inside this chart right here. Let me present my screen for you. You can see what I mean here. This is a screen grab taken, get rid of italic down there if we can. Okay, maybe not. All right, this is a screen grab, guys. There it goes. This is a screen grab from CoinMarketCap. You could see here, this is the month of December. Look at the growth in addresses here from the end of November all the way here to December 26th today. We are seeing nice and steady growth all month long, despite being in a bear market, despite people still waiting on Shibarium. Very, very interesting, right? And again, you're not going to find this kind of growth within a cryptocurrency project all that often right now in the middle of a bear market, right? We've talked about Phantom. They're one of the projects. They're a top 60 project. They've had a lot of growth in daily active users in the last year or so, given how bad the market has been. But, you know, across the board, you're looking at, you know, market cap that's down here at $810 billion right now. Bitcoin still hovering at 16.8. There's not a lot going on, but still, people still coming in the SHIB ecosystem. Rank number 15. We're sitting at the 8.3 level right now. Volume is up about 12% here in the last 24 hours. But I love seeing this metric. Love seeing more and more people join the party. And they're looking at this as an opportunity. And this is what we always say, right? People are looking at this holder statistics right here as an opportunity. Active addresses in the last 24 hours, over 14,000. But look at that total number, 1.272 right there. That is up about 20,000 again in the month of December. So very fascinating stuff that we're watching here. And this is, again, across the board, we're seeing bearish signals. Look at this. Across the board, we're seeing bearish signals from the technical indicators. Looking at the charts, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now, right now, holders making money at current prices, 82% of people are out of the money, 13% in, 17% at profit right now. However, the more you come in at these levels, opening up a new position, you're really setting yourself up for a nice situation here moving forward once we get back into a bullish market. Because here's the thing, when we're looking at these price levels at the 508 level, I do expect us to probably come down a little bit more eventually, right? We've talked about it here on the channel. 506 is probably likely. 505 even, 507. We saw that in June. We saw 507 in June. We could come down to 506, 505 like we had back in 2021. And that, again, opens the door for new people to come in, new positions to be had, because, again, when we come back into a bull run, we know the explosive growth that Shiba Inu can have, and we know how many people can really pile on and make it a really special cryptocurrency to be a part of. Because when this thing gets running hot in a bull run, we've seen what it can do. It takes people by storm. It will be a reason why so many people get into crypto. That and Dogecoin, they're very similar in that way. They, to me, are gateways into cryptocurrency. Then people kind of, start dabbling in other assets. They're like, okay, here's Bitcoin, here's Ethereum, here's Cardano. SHIB's great for that. Brings a lot of people inside the doors because it's so appealing, that price point. And we're seeing it right now, adding 20,000 new holders here in December. That is very interesting, I think, to note, given all of the bad things that are happening around us. Still, Shiba Inu adding people to its ecosystem. They're not decreasing. The number of active addresses still going up despite this market. Thank you all so much. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys for stopping back by the channel. We'll see you in the next one.